I'm still learning how to live and exist with other people in this planet. I wish I could tell you that I know exactly what I am doing at this age, but I don't. I am just learning day by day, and depending on where I am or who I am speaking to, I'm trying to just learn and and yes, like that. And before, I used to get frustrated by this because it's so much work to just be to just yeah, it's a lot of work. Before, I was frustrated by this until I started treating it like a challenge, or like, you know, do a quest, if you may, like a quest, like speak to person A to get your potion sort of quest in the game. And now it's fun. Now, why did I just do that motion? Eh, will this help? Shing! Maybe this will be my emotional support paintbrush. And now it helps, that kind of treating it as a quest. I treat it now as a quest because it's fun. The way, if I think about it that way, it's fun. And I get motivated to do a lot of things in the adult world if I treat them as a quest. And maybe this is not an original idea, maybe this is just something I picked up again somewhere, but it doesn't really matter because it's helping me a lot and it's making Earth more fun in general. So I just hate my painting. And and of course, that advice again, I just shared it. I just shared it because I want to talk about it, but I don't really give that. I don't ask people to follow it or something. I usually just keep things to myself. But since we have this and you like to hear what I think about things, I also talk about the advice that I find interesting. And I talk about advice that I find interesting, but I never say to a random human being or a friend that, oh, I got this advice, now follow it too. No, I don't do that. Because that's another thing I notice about, as a part of the human nature. People don't really like when someone tells them what to do. You can take me as an example. I don't really prefer it. Also, you know how rebellious I am with a lot of things. So, and again, that is a paradox again of my existence. And my brain just went to another direction again when it heard the word paradox and rebellion. So I'll just stay in this. I just stay in what I'm trying to talk about. I'll just stay explain what I'm trying to talk about. What did I say? I forget. I don't, yeah, the human nature. Because I notice that people don't really, even especially when they ask for advice. You ever notice that people don't, when they ask for advice, they don't really follow your advice, don't they? Do they? Or they don't really follow your advice, even when they ask for advice. So that supports my claim earlier that I don't really give people advice, even if I found the advice interesting or helpful or profound. I do, however, when they ask for help, I do walk them there. And by walk them there, I mean, I'll give you one specific example of this. There was this one time, or maybe multiple times, that I encountered someone asking my help for what to eat, about what to eat for dinner. And I never gave them the advice or the answer, or just the random first thing that popped into my head, that, oh, chicken, oh, beef, oh, shrimp, whatever. I didn't do that. I haven't thought of answering it that way, to be honest. But what I did was, I asked them, well, are you craving for anything specific lately? Or what kind of food do you like? Or what do you have in your fridge? Something like this. I ask questions. We walk together towards the answer. That's how I answered their sort of problem that they need my help with. I didn't take on the dictator mode. I didn't take on the dictator mode. And we just walk together. Imagine two friends walking arm in arm, like, so what are you craving for dinner lately? Or what do you have in your fridge? What else? Something along the lines of those. And usually they branch out to more questions depending on how they answer, but 100% of the time they find their own answer, and I don't really give any answers. I just give questions to their questions, and somehow it works. I don't tell people or friends, even when they ask for it, the answer. We just figure it out together. We just talk about it further, or explore the problem until we reach the answer together. And I feel like that's a good approach. Maybe you have a better approach. Now the floor is yours. What's your approach? Like, what's your approach regarding when your friends ask for advice? And what do you think of the advice that I just shared to you, the 2 bullet points, the handshake and the energy, sort of. Now the floor, this is the floor. It's technically my hand, but it's gesturing towards the floor. I would love to hear what you think.